Okay.
The pause.
Hello guys. This is the unboxing of Nokia 3.2 2019. This phone was launched in May 2019. This is the Nokia 3.2 Android One. Okay guys, let's get straight to the business. So here is the phone. As you can see, this is the original model. Yeah, and it has Android One. This means Android One. This means that you can get 2 years of Android software updates. This phone comes with Android 9. That means you will get up to Android 11 on this phone. Yeah, because you are supposed to get Android 10 on this phone this year, and Android 11 is coming on September this year too. So okay, here are the specs of the phone. It comes with a 6.2-inch display, HD plus, 19:9 aspect ratio, 2-day battery life. Wow, 4000 mAh battery. Well, we shall see if it's a 2-day battery life as stated on paper. It comes with a 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera for the back camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. It has a dedicated Google Assistant button. Wow, that's great. I can see it from here. It has a face unlock as expected. Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 mobile platform. This comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 429. This is a mid-range chipset, but I also hope it does better. Okay, they said only Nokia 3.2 32 GB and 64 GB variants include rear fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is not available for Nokia 3.2 16 GB variant, and this is the 16 GB variant, so we are not getting fingerprint here. And to talk about the price of this phone. This phone costs 48,000 naira. That is $120 something, $126 or so. That's the price of this phone. I got this phone from Jumia. As you can see, it's a beautiful phone, guys. Wow. This phone feels, let's say, it feels heavy in the hand. It's quite premium. Wow. This is a beautiful phone. You can see this looks like glass, but man, this is plastic. Yeah, this is plastic. Yeah, it's plastic, but it looks premium, but it's plastic, and the sides are plastics too. This is the power button. This is the okay, this is the power button, and it's, as you can see, it has an LED flashlight notification. Yeah, when you have missed calls or missed messages, it starts to blink light here. And this is the side-mounted fingerprint, the dedicated Google Assistant button. This is the SIM card and memory card slot. I believe it comes with I believe it's a dual nano SIM tray. Let's see. Wow, wow, wow. It comes with dual nano SIM and a memory card slot. That's great. That's great. That's great. So, guys, the phone looks beautiful. As you can see at the back, it's written Android One, designed by HMD Global. This is the original model. This is not the fake. So let me boot it on. Wow, Android One. Guys, this phone is taking too long to boot up. Okay, yeah. If I forget, this is the headphone jack and the noise cancelling microphone, and this is microphone too. A USB 2.0. Oh, it doesn't come with the USB Type C, but it's still okay. It's still okay because this is a mid-range phone, and the bottom firing speaker. I hope it sounds very loud and very clear. Guys, this is real Nokia phone. It's not that quick in booting up, but it's just average. It's not so bad, it's average. It's like it has an okay, this is the sensor. What, guys? This is almost like 5 minutes to boot up. I don't like that. That's a downside for me. I don't like that. Wow. Let me set it up so that we can get started. Nigeria. This phone comes with a 720 by 1520 resolution. It's not that bad. It's okay. Considering it's not a full HD display, it's still okay. It's not 1080, it's still okay. With this display, it's fine. This is an LCD screen as expected. Nokia phones, their mid-range phones always come with LCD, not AMOLED, unlike Samsung phones. This phone looks beautiful. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Typing, let's go. You agree? Okay. Wow, this looks beautiful. I must say, this looks beautiful. This is a real. Look at how crisp the display looks. Very, very sweet, very vibrant, very clear. Wow, 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 guys, are you seeing this? Wow, 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 wow. I love, I love this phone. I love this phone. I hope, I hope it's an enjoyable phone. Okay, let's go to settings, network and internet, mobile network. Okay. Uh, Okay, adaptive brightness. The phone. Wow, I love this phone. It's a nice phone. Uh, Gestures. Okay, Google Assistant button. Okay, I'll try it out later. Jump to camera on. Turn over to jetpack. Base. Okay, advanced. 109. This is 109. Nokia 3.2. Okay, I love this phone, guys. I hope the battery lasts even more than 2 days. The phone is a bit laggy, I must say. It's just a 2 gig phone and maybe a weak, another weak processor. Snapdragon 429. It's not a flagship chip, but it's manageable. So this is Android One interface. It's so simple. It looks so simple. It looks so simple. No bloatware apps. All these apps are Google apps. All these apps are apps from Google. No additional app. No nothing. No app from Nokia. No manufacturer's app except this my phone. I know this is Nokia's app. This is Nokia's app. Apart from that, everything is Google. Everything is Google here. So clean. No gimmicks. No bloatware. Okay, guys, let's go to the camera. Allow. Wow, 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 wow. This camera is beautiful, I must say. Wow, 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 guys, look at this. Look at this very beautiful camera. Auto HDR is on. Wow, 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 wow. This is a beautiful camera, guys. Wow, let's say I'll do another video for camera test. I'll do camera test. Camera is okay. Square. This is so crisp, so clear. Wow, video. Oh, camera is nice. Um, Nice, but not so nice. But it's still good. It's still good. It's a nice phone. You can see it zooms. Maybe this is 10x zoom. I assume. Um, it's okay. Let me take some pictures. Mhm. Wow, this camera is beautiful. Goggle lens. Okay, this might be the beauty mode. Okay, yeah, the beauty mode. It doesn't have bokeh because it's just one lens, so it's not supposed to have bokeh. It doesn't have the second lens for depth sensing, so it's just good. It's good. Post shot, mirror, okay, photo resolution. Okay, this is the 13 megapixel rear camera. Okay, it's okay. Nothing too special, guys. Nothing too special. It's just a simple phone, a clean, a very very normal simple phone, guys. Okay, the video resolution, this is 1080. It doesn't have 4K. I'm not expecting it to have 4K, so but this 1080 pixel, this full HD display is okay. Uh, Even for the front camera, the same. It's just nice. Love the phone. Um, Let me show you some samples, some picture samples. Okay. This picture looks washed out. It's not so uh not so crisp, but still okay. 13 megapixel. It's okay. It's good. It's a good camera. Considering the pricing of this phone and the camera size, this is 13 megapixel. See 13 megapixel and a 2.2 aperture. It's not that wide, but it's okay. So this is a good phone. Yeah, nice phone. So guys, that's it. This is the review for Nokia 3.2. I just unboxed this phone today. Nothing special. Well, the battery is just, well, it's just average. Nothing special, but I have to charge it first, then see how far it goes. Guys, let me know at the comment section if you would like me to do um any other review, maybe battery review or camera review or camera comparison with other phones, with maybe any other phone, any phone of your choice. You can tell me in the comments. I will do that for you. Battery review, I can do that. Just let me know if you want to see that. I will do that for you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's so important. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Uh, um, okay. See you on the next video. Thanks so much and God bless you. Amen. This is the charger. This is original Nokia charger. As you can see, it has a 5 volts output. It's okay. Before I forget, this phone comes with a 10-watt charging. It won't be that slow. It will just be okay. It should just be okay for the phone. It's 10-watt charging. It's okay. And this is the USB cable. This is the USB cable. It's 2.0. Yeah, it's 2.0. It feels premium in the hand. Okay, this is the earphones. I wasn't expecting this phone to come with an earphone because the other Nokia phones I had didn't come with an earphone, but it's just okay. This is as you can see, it looks cheap though. It looks cheap, but it's okay considering it's original Nokia earphone. This is not the type of earphones you see on flagship Nokia phones, but it's still okay considering the price of the phone. So this is nothing special. It looks good. Hope it lasts. I hope it lasts very well. Earphones don't last. We all know that earphones don't last. I hope this one lasts. So guys, that's it.